Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn the definite integral and fundamental theorem together, step by step. A definite integral has numbers on the symbol, a at the bottom and b at the top. It measures the area trapped between the curve and the x-axis from a to b. Picture slicing that region into countless thin vertical strips and adding their areas. The integral is the exact total of all those strips. The fundamental theorem of calculus is one of the greatest results in mathematics. It says you don't need to add up infinite strips. Just find an antiderivative capital F, plug in the top limit b, plug in the bottom limit a, and subtract. Derivatives and areas, two seemingly different ideas, are linked by this single equation. Evaluate the integral from 0 to 2 of 3x squared. First, find an antiderivative. 3x squared integrates to x cubed. Now apply the theorem. Plug in the top, 2 cubed is 8. Plug in the bottom, 0 cubed is 0. Subtract. 8 minus 0 equals 8. That's the exact area under the curve. Try the integral from 1 to 3 of 2x plus 1. The antiderivative is x squared plus x. Evaluate at the top. 3 squared plus 3 is 12. Evaluate at the bottom. 1 squared plus 1 is 2. Subtract 12 minus 2 to get 10. So the area under this line from 1 to 3 is exactly 10 square units. Here's the routine for every definite integral. Step 1. Find an antiderivative. No plus c needed here since it cancels. Step 2. Evaluate at the upper limit. Step 3. Evaluate at the lower limit. Step 4. Subtract the 2. The result is a single number, the signed area under the curve between those bounds. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.